What I see that is very clear to me, because I lived through 1996 to 1999, and I lived through 2005 to 2009, is the next transition to how human beings are going to interact. I'm going to start with Web 2. Before I get into blockchain, I want to talk about social media because it will affect everybody in this room tomorrow. Right now, we live in a world where social media is the infrastructure to communication. Of course, mainstream media has a place, of course, print has a place, but let there be no confusion. The scaled opinion shaping of our society is overwhelmingly happening across 7 to 12 platforms where other human beings and organizations are producing content. There are incredible opportunities for organizations and individuals in this room, in this world. However, most people here today look at these channels as distribution channels, and so they make a single piece of content and they want to put it everywhere, whichever ones they're in. These platforms are very specific rooms. The keynote I will give here, for example, me pushing everyone here to finally open up a TikTok account if you're in Romania, is specific to Romania. In Australia, everyone's already done it. It won't come out of my mouth. I know the mix of executives versus entrepreneurs in this room, thus tailoring my message for this hour based on the room. If you do not produce content, advertising, information, creative, that is contextual to the distribution, and most importantly, contextual and relevant to the person that's actually consuming it, you have no shot of succeeding. We must all collectively here take one humongous key point out today, which is, I believe today, not tomorrow, not the next day, today, the variable of your business growth from a consumer standpoint, including B2B. How many people here are in B2B? Raise your hands. Including B2B, I am flabbergasted by how many people continue to not use LinkedIn to produce 3, 4, 5 pieces of creative content marketing a day. A day. I watch unlimited startup SaaS companies to Fortune 500 companies selling $20 million, $50 million RFP scopes win it on LinkedIn through a single piece of content, yet the B2B marketers in this room would rather spend $1 million to build out a booth at a convention, or buy print ads, or more importantly, as all the B2B people that just raised their hands, they know really deep down, their company is a sales organization, not a marketing organization. Yet, we are sitting in a time right now where LinkedIn is the close second to TikTok when it comes to getting more organic reach for your post than you deserve based on the way the algorithm and supply and demand of content and attention is playing out. All this world is built on is how many people's attention is on it, how many people are consuming it, and how many ads are coming into it. 3 things. How many people are producing content every day? How many people are over in that world consuming content? And only one other variable, how much money in ads are coming into it. This is day trading attention.
VaynerSpeakers.